ABC Educational Channel. English vocabulary, common English words. Squeeze.
I squeeze the orange.
Squeeze.
I squeeze the orange.
Press.
I press the button.
Press.
I press the button.
Ring.
I wring the wet towel.
Ring.
I wring the wet towel.
Crush.
I crush the pepper.
Crush.
I crush the pepper.
Broken.
The bottle is broken.
Broken.
The bottle is broken.
Crack.
I crack the egg.
Crack.
I crack the egg.
Scratch.
The car has a scratch.
Scratch.
The car has a scratch.
Smash.
I smash the can.
Smash.
I smash the can.
Crumple.
I crumple the paper.
Crumple.
I crumple the paper.
Fold.
I fold the paper.
Fold.
I fold the paper.
Tear.
I tear the paper.
Tear.
I tear the paper.
Cut.
I cut the paper.
Cut.
I cut the paper.
Twist.
I twist the cup.
Twist.
I twist the cup.
Pull.
I pull the rope.
Pull.
I pull the rope.
Push.
I push the box.
push,
I push the box.